Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll start creating a complete project in Scratch that is called Cake Clicker. Cake Clicker is a clicker type game, meaning that you are clicking your birthday cake to earn points. The goal is to earn points, and when you earn enough, the happy birthday message suddenly appears and happy birthday song starts. When you finish this project, you will know how to add variables and how to hide and show sprites in complete games. So let's get started. First of all, we need to create a variable for our points. So I'm going to go to variable section and I'm going to click the button make a variable. And now I will write here points, and I either need to choose for all the sprites or for this sprite only. I'm going to choose for all the sprites, and I'm going to click OK. Now you see this block set my variable to 0. I'm going to click on my variable word and delete my variable. And now you see that points appeared instead of my variable. Sets point to 0. The next thing that I will do is choose a backdrop for our project. So I'm going to go to backdrop section. Then I'm going to type here party. And now you see here appear the party backdrop. And when I click on it, you see that it appeared on the stage. So now the next thing that I will do is to choose a character. But first of all we need to delete the sprite 1. I'm going to push on the rubbish, and now I'm going to click the choose a sprite. And now I'm going to type here cake. And now you see the sprite cake, and when I click on it, it appeared on the stage. And now we need to go to events, bring when green flag clicked, and then we need to go to motion and go to X and Y block, and now I'm going to type there 0 and here also 0, because when we start our project the cake sprite needs to stay in the middle of the stage. So now I need to go to looks and bring set size to 100%, so it helps us to our cake be in normal size. And now I'm going to go to variables and bring set points to 0. This is because when we start our project the points need to be 0. And now I need to go to event section and bring when the sprite clicked. And after I need to go to looks and I need to bring change size by 10, and this helps us to change the size of sprite by 10%. And now I will bring change color effect by 25. And now it helps us when it grows up to change its color. Now if we start the project and click on it, you see that the color is changing and it's becoming bigger. And now I need a sprite where is written happy birthday. And now I need to go to choose a sprite. I need to type happy birthday. Oh no, here is no happy birthday sprite, so we need to paint the sprite. So near the choose sprite, when we put our mouse on the choose sprite, we can also find here a loops, and we will take paint. And when we push the button here, we can paint the sprite and also text the sprite. I will choose text, and instead of sans serif, I'm going to choose marker, and I'm going to type here happy birthday. And now I can make it bigger or smaller. I will make it a little bit bigger. And now we need to select sprite 1 and go to codes. And now we need to go to events Bring when green flag is clicked. Now we need to go to looks. Bring hide. We need hide. So when the green flag is clicked, it's going to hide happy birthday text. And now I need to go to control section. Bring wait until block. And now I need to go to operator section. Bring equal sign. Put it in the wait until block. We are putting this to check when our variable will equal to 10. I'm going to bring these points, put it on the first place, and in the next place I will write 10. And then I will go to events, broadcast message 1. Instead of message 1, I will create a new message. And I will name this happy birthday. And now I will click OK. After, I will go to looks and bring show. And we need to bring play sound until down. Oh, here is pop. And here is record, but we need birthday. So we'll go to sounds. Under here is a section of a sound. And I will click on it and I will search there birthday. And you see here appeared the sound, and when I click on it, it appeared here. And now I will go to code and I will choose on pop, and here is a birthday and I will choose on it. And now I will go to cake sprite, bring from event section when I receive happy birthday. And I will go to looks and I will bring hide. We need this to hide the sprite when it receives happy birthday message. And this is going to hide the cake. But when we click green flag after the first time, it will also hide. So we need to bring show button after when green flag is clicked. Okay, now let's test our game. Let's push green flag. I will make it bigger. And I will click green flag. And now when I click on the cake, it becomes bigger. Oh, but the points are not changing. So we made a bug. So we will go to section and you see change color effect by 25, but it doesn't increase the variable. So we need to go to variable section. Bring change points by 1. And now you can make it bigger and click on green flag. And now when I click on it, the points are increasing and the size and the color are changing. So when I click on it, you see that the points are increasing.
When it reaches 10.
So when it reaches 10, it will sing a song. So this is how you can make a happy birthday game. So I think this video was helpful for you. Bye bye. So see you in the next video.